Hello students, this is Radhe Syam Yadav. Today I am going to solve question number 16 in my important questions on trigonometry series for class 10th. Now the question is, prove that cot A upon 1 minus tan A plus tan A upon 1 minus cot A equals to 1 plus tan A plus cot A. So now we will take LHS and try to prove equal to RHS. So LHS, first we will write cot A upon 1 minus tan A plus tan A upon 1 minus cot A. Now this will be changed into, now cot A is cot A means this equals to 1 by tan A upon 1 minus tan A plus tan A upon 1 minus 1 by tan A. So now this will become equals to 1 upon tan A 1 minus tan A plus tan A upon 1 minus tan A minus 1 upon tan A. So this can be written as 1 upon tan A 1 minus tan A plus, now this will shift to this, that means tan square A upon tan A minus 1. So here it is 1 minus tan A and here it is tan A minus 1. Now we can write it as minus 1. Now this will change tan A minus 1, because now this tan A will become plus and 1 will become minus since I have changed the sign. Now here we can write tan cube A upon tan A minus 1. Now here at this point tan square A becomes tan cube upon A by multiplying and dividing with tan A. So this becomes tan cube A upon tan A. Now this denominator is same, So numerator will be added up. So now this I can write tan cube A minus 1 upon tan A minus 1. Tan cube A minus 1 tan A. Now I will write here. This will be equals to, now tan cube A minus 1 can be written as tan A minus 1 then tan square A plus tan A plus 1 upon tan A minus tan A minus 1. So now tan cube A minus 1 becomes tan A minus 1 tan square A plus tan A plus 1. Now here the formula used is, that is A minus B A cube minus B cube equals to A minus B A square plus AB plus B square. So this is the formula that has been used. So we get tan A minus 1 tan square A plus tan A plus 1. Now this tan A minus 1 and this tan A minus 1 will cancel. So we will get tan square A plus tan A plus 1 upon tan A. So here we get tan square A plus tan A plus 1. Now I can write it as tan square A upon tan A plus tan A upon tan A plus 1 by tan A. So we get here tan square A upon tan A means I will get tan A plus this cancels with this, I will get 1 and here it becomes cot A. So this can be written as 1 plus tan A plus cot A. This is your RHS. So we have proved that LHS equals to RHS, hence proved. So this type of questions are solved in this way. Please subscribe to my channel, like it and share it. Thank you.